All right, spoiler alert. I was not recording when I was doing the review, but I'm going to try this for the first time on video. This is like legitimately eating a blueberry muffin. True to the label, naturally and artificially flavored crisp wafers and blueberry muffin flavored cream. This is really, really good. I can't say that I'm surprised because Kit Kat has hit the nail on the head with every single limited edition. But this one, I think also because I love the color blue, just like popped out at me. I love blueberry muffins, and this is just really good. I mean, look, this is a limited edition, I'm pretty sure. Well, that's what the sign said. If not, maybe it's not a limited edition, but I'm pretty sure it is. Just buy this, guys. Just buy this.